Hey guys, Abhishek here. Today I have brought an amazing car drift logo reveal intro for Filmora users. So before we start, I would like to thank you all for your support and love. It means a lot to me. Let's have a look what we are going to create today. Let's dive into today's tutorial. First, let's see what you will get in this pack. In this pack, you will get 4 different color cars, 4 road backgrounds, and 1 bonus and exclusive car. Let's start. Open this project file, click on open, and you will see all these files on your timeline and in project media. Now let's see how to add your logo. For that, click on import and select your logo and import it. Drag your logo and place it on second track and let me hide it for some time. Now in my logo you can see it has some dust which help it to blend with background. Now to create it, drag your logo few seconds back on same track and import this dust file. You will get it in this pack. Drag it and place it on track 3 above your logo and unhide track 2. Then double click on your logo and decrease its scale according to your need and align dust position and then take a screenshot. This is our original logo and this is what we just created. Delete both these files from your timeline and drag created logo on track 2 and then extend its duration and then hide track 3 logo and align x-axis position of your logo. Then go to transition and select erase transition and apply it at the starting of your logo. Now adjust transition duration and adjust it in such a manner that when this car cross your logo position, your logo get visible or reveal. This part is all about timing and placement. Now let's change the background. Delete this one and import other one. Place new background on track 1. Now one more thing you can do with your logo. Double click on your logo and decrease opacity to blend it with background. Even you can play with blending modes like multiply, lightning, screen. You can check it by yourself. Now let me show you how to replace car. Click and open track manager and add one track above track 4. Import bonus car to project media and place it on track 5 and reduce its duration and hide car on track 6 and then click on render preview button. So this is without smoke. Now enable smoke by unhiding track 8 and click on render preview button. Now to export, click on export, select format of your choice, give name to your file and click on setting and adjust it accordingly. So guys, this is how you can create car drifting logo intro or car drifting logo reveal intro in Filmora. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. You can get this logo intro file and project file by getting my YouTube membership, or you can purchase it from Patreon or from my website as well. So guys, see you in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Goodbye and Jai Hind.